I followed Maya's advice and I completed my CMA in 4 months. If you're clear with your concepts, if you have attempted a lot of MCQ questions, given a lot of mock tests, I think you would be able to clear your CMA in your first attempt itself.
बोलो कहाँ से आएगा फिर ऐसा inspiration with Maya's education knowledge is the weapon
I'm Arshiya Shaikh. I'm from Mumbai. I've completed my BCom, diploma in business management, and now CMA from Maya's Education. I'm currently working as a senior accountant at Classic Preci Tech. First of all, attending the lectures, going through the MCQs, going through the concept, clearing your doubts, everything helped me complete the CMA course. I cleared CMA just because I attempted all those MCQs. First, to clear CMA, I think MCQs, you should attempt all the MCQs. I attempted all the mock tests. Mock tests were a great help because it helped me see what was going to come in the exams and how was the pattern of the exam, everything. I was a lot scared for essay question because I have never attended a 100 marks question before. So that pattern and everything, the questions were helped me a lot. The moment I received my CMA results, I ran to my parents and told them about the great news. They were very happy about it. And then the next one to hear the news were my friends. They were very happy about it. And friends talk between themselves. So they planned a surprise party. They all came home and bought all. It was a very heartwarming party, surprise party. CMA matlab miles.